Welcome everyone to our second lesson. Today we are going to talk about blockchain. I'm excited to get started on this journey with you. Today we'll be diving into one of the most fundamental concepts in cryptocurrency, the blockchain. We will cover what blockchain is, how it was created, and how it works. So what is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger or record book where every transaction is recorded. But unlike a traditional ledger controlled by bank or a company, blockchain is decentralized. This means that it's not controlled by any single entity. Instead, it is run by a network of computers all around the world. Now you might wonder, why is it important? It's important because it makes blockchain extremely secure and transparent. Once a transaction is recorded on a blockchain, it's there permanently. No one can go back and change it, which is why we say blockchain is immutable. Another key point is that blockchain can be public or private. For example, Bitcoin's blockchain is public. Anyone can see the transactions happening, but blockchains can also be private, where only certain people have access, which is useful for businesses. Let's now talk about how blockchain was created. Blockchain technology was first introduced in 2008 by a person or a group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi is the creator of Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. The main goal of creating a blockchain was to solve a problem called double spending. Double spending is when somebody spends the same digital currency twice. Traditional systems like banks solve this by being the middleman who keeps track of everything. But that requires trust in the bank. Satoshi wanted to remove the need for middlemen by creating a system where people could transfer money directly to each other, securely and without needing to trust anyone. This is where blockchain comes in. With blockchain, trust is built into the system. It creates what we call trustless transactions, meaning you don't need to trust the person on the other end of the transaction. The blockchain takes care of it. Now let's talk about how blockchain actually works. It might sound complex, but I will break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. When someone makes a transaction, like sending Bitcoin to a friend, that transaction is grouped together with other transactions into what we call a block. Step 2. That block is then sent to a network of computers around the world called nodes. Those computers work to verify the transaction and make sure everything is correct. Step 3. Once the block is verified, it's added to the chain of previous blocks. This is why it's called a blockchain. It's literally a chain of blocks that are linked together. Step 4. Once the block is added to the blockchain, the transaction is completed. It's permanently recorded and no one can change or delete it. So to sum up, blockchain works by verifying and recording transactions in a decentralized way, making it secure and transparent. So why the crypto glossary is important? Before we wrap up today's lesson, I want to remind you all how important it is to understand the crypto terminology. You can find a linked file as a handout in the description of this lesson. I really suggest you to read it and try to memorize some of the terms there. That's our introduction to blockchain. Today we have covered what blockchain is, how it was created and how it works. I hope this has given you a solid foundation to build on as we move forward. And remember, understanding blockchain and the crypto terminology is a key to mastering cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or need for clarification, feel free to ask. I'm here to help you every step of the way.